Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica is engineered for performance. We will explore its unique position in the Huracan lineup, designed for drivers seeking both thrilling road dynamics and track capability. This model combines raw power with refined handling, making it a truly special machine. Understanding its core philosophy helps appreciate its advanced engineering and driving experience. The Huracan Tecnica's performance figures are truly impressive, reflecting its track-focused DNA. Its powerful V10 engine ensures breathtaking acceleration and a top speed that commands respect. Crucially, its advanced aerodynamic package significantly improves stability and grip, especially at high speeds. This means more confidence and control, whether you are on a winding road or pushing limits on the circuit. Hey everyone! If you are enjoying this deep dive into the Huracan Tecnica, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Quick recommendation. Speaking of bringing things to life, the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your favorite music and smart home control to your garage or living room. It is a fantastic way to enhance any space. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. The driving experience in the Tecnica is highly adaptable, thanks to its selectable driving modes. Each mode precisely adjusts engine response, suspension, and steering for different conditions. Advanced chassis technologies, like rear-wheel steering, ensure exceptional agility and precise handling. Furthermore, Lamborghini offers a vast array of personalization choices, allowing each owner to create a truly unique vehicle that reflects their individual style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.